We begin with the big budget breakthrough at the National Assembly. After days of intense negotiations over a number of contentious issues, the Assembly passed the 2018 budget bill in the wee hours of this morning. The green light came despite the main opposition party boycotting the vote. Political correspondent Kim Min-ji leading us off.
After days of will they or won't they, the National Assembly finally passed the 2018 budget proposal on Wednesday, 4 days after the legal deadline of December 2nd. The spending plan worth 428.8 trillion Korean won, or roughly $394 billion, will be directed at creating thousands of new government jobs, boosting welfare as well as cushioning the fallout from a massive hike in the minimum wage.
Of the 178 lawmakers present, 160 voted in favor of the bill, 15 voted against, and there were 3 abstentions. I proclaim that the revised bill has passed.
The passage didn't come easy. The main opposition Liberty Korea party refused to participate in the vote. The vote itself was also delayed for hours, with the Conservative Party's late attendance, as well as heated debates during the plenary session. The wrangling came despite a tentative agreement over the budget bill on Monday after days of talks. While the main opposition was part of those discussions, it did not endorse the compromise, opposing the creation of so many public sector jobs. The budget will be used to add 9,475 new jobs next year. Although that figure is less than the ruling Democratic Party of Korea wanted, the Conservative Party insisted on further cuts, saying it would burden future generations. The plan also sets aside almost $3 billion as support funds for small companies in the wake of next year's 16% hike in the minimum wage, and also includes money directed at offering monthly child benefits to parents with children under the age of 5 and a rise in basic pension. Along with the budget plan, also passed was a revised tax code bill, which the main opposition was also against. It raises the corporate tax rate to 25% for businesses with taxable profit of more than $300 million. The income tax rate on people whose income exceeds $460,000 a year will be raised to 42% from the current 40%. The tough passage reaffirmed the hurdles the ruling party faces in the opposition-led parliament, but at the same time showed the growing influence of the minor People's Party in legislative affairs as a party with a deciding vote. It remains to be seen how the ruling bloc can mend ties with the main opposition party, but the budget is expected to pave the way for the Moon Jae-in administration to get its agenda rolling. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.